Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Today we are going to talk about the chaos in Bihar Assembly. But before that, if you're watching this video on YouTube, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and comment below it and you like this video. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, then please make sure you like our page and share this content to as many people as possible. Now let's begin with today's topic. The legislative assemblies, parliaments are called the temples of democracy. It is the place where our elected representatives, MPs or MLAs, debate and discuss the matters of public importance, and they are expected to do so in a civil manner. But what happens when the same temple of democracy turns into a place of anarchy? Well, you don't have to leave much to your imagination because we have already seen it happening in Bihar Assembly. Watch these visuals from Bihar Assembly House. Armed policemen dragging out people, manhandling them, and at times kicking them, beating them up. Who are these people? They are public representatives elected by common people. These opposition MLAs were dragged, manhandled by policemen in the Bihar Assembly and carried out on stretchers in unprecedented chaos yesterday over a bill. MLAs were even pulled by the hair and kicked in disturbing images circulating on social media. Some women MLAs were also manhandled. This is shocking, and the fact that it happened outside a state assembly adds more concern. The trigger was the Bihar Special Armed Police Bill. The bill seeks to give the police powers to search anyone without a warrant and take them into custody wherever they are posted. The opposition RJD leaders protested against the bill, and as per the reports inside the assembly, chaos ensued as the bill was tabled and the speaker was virtually held hostage inside his chambers. However, later in the evening, the bill was passed even as opposition RJD leaders sat outside the assembly shouting slogans and protesting. Some MLAs were injured in the police assault as well. Now let's understand what happened in Bihar Assembly step by step. The controversial Bihar Special Armed Police Bill was tabled in Assembly yesterday, and after multiple disruptions over the bill, the Bihar House dissolved into chaos when opposition Rashtriya Janata Dal MLAs rushed to Speaker Vijay Kumar Sinha's chair. They tore the papers and even laid siege to Speaker's chambers. He was virtually held hostage inside his room by the opposition legislators who surrounded it, preventing his exit. Later on, the Patna police chief brought over 100 police personnel and started removing the protesting MLAs from the house. Women lawmakers also climbed the podium and tried to stop the speaker from sitting. They were also removed by the policewomen. A few MLAs of the RJD and its alliance partner CPIM were seen on the ground outside the assembly after being carried out by security personnel. Some of them apparently were unconscious. They alleged later that they were severely beaten up by Bihar police. Some were also seen to be injured severely. An RJD MLA was also seen being dragged on the floor outside the assembly, while another was seen being kicked by police. He was held by collar and police also beat him with shoes. A woman MLA was seen being dragged out of assembly by policewomen. The Bihar police action has drawn widespread condemnation by opposition parties, slamming the Nitish Kumar government. Leader of opposition in Bihar Assembly, Tejasvi Yadav, tweeted the draconian act, which will give absolute powers to police so that it can act as a veritable arm of Nitish's dictatorial politics, has been passed in the police protection by throwing out battered MLAs using police itself. He also attached a video of the chaos from inside the assembly with a tweet. The video showed opposition MLAs standing in the state assembly and shouting in protest against the Bihar Special Armed Police Bill 2021. The speaker was seen urging the MLAs to calm down. Now, Tejasvi Yadav, Tej Pratap Yadav were among the leaders who were taken into custody by police yesterday. According to reports today, there are also FIRs filed against them. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi also tweeted condemning the incident. He tweeted that it is clear from the embarrassing Vidhan Sabha that the chief minister has become completely RSS BJP-fied. Those who defy democracy have no right to be called government. The opposition will still raise voice in the public interest. We are not afraid. This is what Rahul Gandhi said in his tweet in Hindi. Meanwhile, RJD MP Manoj Jha has said that he will raise the matter in the Rajya Sabha. However, the question remains, what exactly is the bill and why has it courted such a controversy? Now let's understand the bill in detail. Why is the bill necessary? That's the first question we will be talking about. Well, the preamble of the bill says the Bihar Police Act 2007 was published in the official gazette on March 30th, 2007. Prior to that, police services of the state were governed by the Police Act 1861 and the rules which were framed under the Bihar Military Police in the state, which was eventually governed by Bengal Military Police Act 1892. Now, Bihar, being a rapidly developing state, requires an armed police force with multi-domain expertise to meet requirements of industrial security, security of vital installations, airports, metro rail, etc. in larger interest of the state. The internal security of Bihar needs to be strengthened through a dedicated, well-trained and fully equipped armed police force of the state. Keeping in view the role of Bihar Military Police and its distinct organizational structure, it is necessary that its separate identity should continue to be maintained as a special armed police to achieve the above objective. Therefore, it is expedient to make provision for the constitution, organized development and better regulation of a multi-domain special armed police force. So, this is what the preamble of the bill says. Now, what exactly will this bill do? The bill says it will be for maintenance of public order, combating extremism, ensuring the better protection and security of a specified establishment in such manner as may be notified and perform such other duties as may be notified. Now let's talk about the next point, that is power to arrest without a warrant. While so far there seems nothing wrong with the constitution of the Special Armed Force Bill, this is the provision where the contention lies. Any special armed police officer, while being entrusted with the security of a specified establishment, may, without any order from a magistrate and without a warrant, arrest any person who voluntarily or attempts voluntarily to cause hurt to any employees of such specified establishment or to him or any special armed police officer in discharge of his duty. In such a case, they can arrest them without a warrant. Second point, arrest on suspicion. The officer can arrest any person who has been concerned in or against whom a reasonable suspicion exists. So they can arrest them on the basis of suspicion. Let's talk about the next point, power to search without a warrant. Whenever any special armed police officer not below a notified rank has reason to believe that any offence has been or is being committed and that a search warrant cannot be obtained without affording the offender an opportunity of escaping or of concealing evidence of the offence, he may detain the offender and search his person and belongings forthwith, and if he thinks proper, arrest any person whom he has reason to believe to have committed the offence. This has caused uproar among the opposition leaders, with many calling it a return of police Raj, because the bill essentially gives tremendous power in the hands of police to decide on search warrant, to decide on arrest, etc. Now, the bill was passed in the parliament and Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has said that opposition is spreading rumors about the bill. However, opposition leaders in Bihar Assembly continue to protest against the bill. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. A very small appeal to all of our viewers before I leave. We have launched a membership drive on our YouTube channel HW News English. So please click on the join button. There are levels of membership that we offer. You can get to know about what exactly the perks and benefits are in the video that is following. So please do join the membership, do support our independent journalism. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.